guys, today we have another super easy Christmas decor project for you. So it's just going to be this felt garland, and you can spell out any words that you want for the season. We have a template that we'll share, so you can use these ones if you want. Otherwise you can make your own. So I'm just going to use these letter stencils that I have, trace them onto the felt, and then cut out all of the letters that I need. Now I'm just going to take a needle and some thick like quilting or embroidery thread, and I'm just going to string it through the top of each letter until I can tie each end and have it hang as a garland. Now I'm just going to take each end, give it a little bit extra to hang it from, and then just tie a loop and trim off the excess string.